What's up everybody? Welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to review the PowerBlock Classic 50 adjustable weights. This comes at a time when you may be looking for a weight solution that's compact and effective. I know personally, where I live, the gyms have been closed for over 5 months with no opening date in sight. So this set of weights I have owned for over 5 years, and I highly recommend them. They are adjustable in 5-pound increments from 10 to 50 pounds. Removing this latch and positioning it at different color-coded positions allows for the different weight ranges. The basic portion is 10 pounds. When you apply the adjustment lever into the desired slot, you can select a different weight. In this example, let's select 25 pounds. For 25 pounds, we're going to select the purple bar. So you align the selector with the purple bar and insert it. When you pick it up, it brings with it that many plates. There's 3 plates plus the base, so 10, 15, 20, 25 pounds. The selection is most efficient on a hard flat surface, which is why I have the stand that comes with these weights. On carpet, it is a little more difficult. The optional stand has been great and is also highly recommended. It allows for a comfortable height to set down and lift up the weights, and is very solid and secure. It even has instructions to use the product. PowerBlock Quick Change Dumbbell System. Step 1. Select weight. Step 2. Lift weight. And that's all there is to it. The only complaints that I heard about these was that it is possible to insert the selector on an angle. So let's get one on purple and one on green. It will go in. But to remedy this, ensure that you have it in one position before you lift the weights. The other complaint that I ran into was that if you drop them, they bend and they don't adjust anymore. Well, don't drop them. Put them down nicely. They cost money and you want to take care of them. So I highly recommend these. I've been pumping them for at least 5 years. They have held up wonderfully. They're compact, effective, and perfect for a home gym in my opinion. Thanks for watching. I'll be posting new videos daily or weekly, so subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. For an example, let's try 45 pounds, red. Stick it on and lift it up. Oh, that's too heavy. I can't lift that. Just joking.